Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put a PDF into Manychat. This is incredibly useful when you want to share downloadable resources, guides, or documents directly with your audience through automated messaging. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Manychat website. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. This is where all the main features of Manychat are organized for easy access. On the left side, click on Automation. This section is the heart of Manychat's functionality, allowing you to create automated message sequences that engage with your subscribers without manual intervention. By clicking this, you'll see a list of all your existing automation flows. Next, click on the specific automation you want to add the PDF to. This could be a welcome sequence, a lead magnet delivery flow, or any other automated conversation you've set up. Selecting it will open the automation builder where you can see all the steps and actions within that flow. Now, in this example, the automation has a send message step already in place. This is the action block where you define what content gets delivered to your subscribers at this point in the conversation. Click on this send message step to open it up for editing. This is where you'll be able to add different types of content blocks to customize what your audience receives. Once you've clicked it, you'll see an option that says add one of the content blocks. This is where Manychat lets you choose from various types of media and interactive elements you can include in your message, such as text, images, videos, buttons, and of course PDFs. This flexibility allows you to create rich, engaging automated conversations. From the available content block options, click on PDF. This tells Manychat that you want to attach a PDF document to this particular message. It's a straightforward way to deliver valuable resources directly to your subscribers in a format they can easily save and reference later. After selecting PDF, you'll see an option to click Upload. This opens up your file browser, allowing you to locate the PDF file you want to share from your computer or device. Make sure you have your PDF ready and saved somewhere you can easily find it. Choose your PDF file from your computer and click it to select it. Manychat will then upload the file to your automation. Depending on the file size, this might take just a moment, so be patient while the upload completes and processes. And that's it. You've successfully added a PDF to your Manychat automation. Now, whenever subscribers reach this step in your automation flow, they'll automatically receive the PDF you've uploaded, making it seamless to deliver valuable content to your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.